Hi everyone, my name is Mark Moeykens and welcome to my course, iOS Collection Views Getting Started. I'm an iOS developer at Big Mountain Studio, and I've produced hundreds of iOS training videos on my YouTube channel. Most of you know how to use table views already. And let's face it, table views can be boring because they can only show a single column of vertically scrolling data. Meanwhile, a collection view can show multiple columns of data and also scroll horizontally. If you're ready to take your skills to the next level, then I will teach you how to use collection views to produce multiple columns of vertically or horizontally scrolling cells, dynamically size the collection view and the cells so they look awesome on any size device, add and customize section headers and footers, the 5-step method to customizing collection view cells, and how to set up your view to work with multiple collection views. By the end of this course, you'll know how to add collection views to your own apps and make your data look great. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with the Swift language and the basics of iOS development. I hope you'll join me on this journey and learn collection views with my course, iOS Collection Views Getting Started at Pluralsight.